My name is Lacey Chavers, and this is my investments project for Dr. Creson's class. So I decided to test stocks with different betas. I diversified originally in my portfolio project using different betas in elastic and inelastic goods. I noticed in the returns that the securities with the highest betas had the highest returns. However, my individual security that I chose as my best performing stock had negative returns. So I wanted to see how these securities would react during a longer period of time. As finance majors, we're all familiar with beta. Beta is the volatility of a security. 1 means it moves with the market. Anything above 1 means the volatility is going to be a little bit higher than the market, like a 1.2 would have 20% more volatility than the market. Anything less is going to be a little bit less volatile. I put together 3 portfolios. My first portfolio was high beta stocks. I chose 6 stocks, all with high betas. I pulled the returns for the last 5 years. My first stock was Oasis. It had a beta of 1.61. Netflix had a beta of 1.46. Goodyear was 1.52. Tesla Motors was 1.44. Ultra Petroleum 2.04, and Marathon Petroleum 1.7. My next portfolio had low beta stocks. This was Toyota 0.59, TCP Capital 0.39, Avista Corporation 0.61, Chesapeake Utilities with 0.9, Quest Diagnostics with 0.07, and O'Reilly Auto Parts with 0.66. As a benchmark portfolio, I used the 3 highest volatility securities and the 3 lowest and put them together. So these are the 3 highest up here, and these are the 3 lowest. So after pulling returns for the last 5 years, I found that the high beta stock portfolio return was a whopping 19.66%, and the risk was 20.64%. The low beta stock return was 2.23%, and the portfolio risk was 2.02%. The benchmark stock, which was right down the middle, had a return of 12.35%, and the risk was 21.07%. So I feel like this reinforces what we've learned about risk and return going hand in hand. Our high returns up here of 19.66% also have the 20.64% risk, whereas the return and risk were very low for the low beta stocks. I thought it was interesting that the benchmark stocks had a middle of the road return of 12.35%. However, the risk was actually higher than our high beta stocks. And I'm going to attribute this to the fact that I pulled the 3 securities with the highest volatilities. I believe that diversifying this portfolio would probably bring this risk down, but we could actually keep the return around the same. So thank you very much.